In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a presentation from Gemini. We'll start right from the beginning so you can easily follow along, even if this is your first time using Gemini for presentations. First, open your web browser and head to the Gemini homepage. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, because that's what lets you save and use the content you create across other Google tools later on, like slides. Once you're on the main Gemini screen, you'll see a text box where you can type your prompt. This is where you tell Gemini exactly what kind of presentation you want. For example, you might say something like, "Create a 10-slide presentation explaining the basics of digital marketing for beginners," or "Make a presentation outlining the steps of a project plan." Be as clear as possible about your audience, your topic, and how many slides you'd like. The clearer your instructions, the better the presentation outline Gemini will generate for you. After you've typed your prompt, go ahead and submit it. Gemini will then start generating an outline or a structured set of slide contents. This usually includes suggested slide titles and bullet points for each slide. Take a moment to read through everything. Check if the structure makes sense, if the tone is right for your audience, and if the level of detail matches what you need. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can refine it by asking Gemini to adjust. For example, you can say, "Make it more formal," "Simplify the language," "Add an introduction slide," or "Expand slide 3 with more examples." You can repeat this refinement process a few times until you're happy with the overall flow and content. Once you're satisfied, the next step is to move this content into your presentation tool. The simplest way is to copy the generated slide titles and text, then paste them into a Google Slides or PowerPoint template. As you paste, place each section of text into its own slide, matching the structure Gemini created. This is also a great time to choose a clean theme, adjust fonts, and add visuals like images, icons, or charts that support each point. Finally, read through the full presentation from start to finish. Make small edits to match your personal style, double-check facts, and tighten any wording that feels too long. After that, you'll have a polished, structured presentation that started with Gemini and is ready to present or share.